Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza, and today I'm going to discuss, in California, can you leave an inheritance to your pet? Or in other words, can your pet inherit from you after you pass away? Before we get started, if estate planning is something you want to talk more about or explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment, speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so in California, can your pet inherit from you when you pass away? I am a California licensed attorney, so this conversation or video is really geared for people in California. All right, so the long and short of it is, number one, a cat is actually, or not cat, an animal, dog or cat, it has to be a domestic animal, is technically personal property. So they cannot actually inherit from you when you pass away. So you cannot leave an inheritance to your animal. However, you can do a few things. Number one, you can leave a pet of yours to someone you know will care for that pet when you pass away through your will. So you can, in your will, say, I want to leave my dog, Fluffy, to my youngest sister, Samantha. Okay, and that's number one. And then if you were to do that, you would also want to leave a certain sum of money to your sister, with some instructions, that it be used for the benefit of your animal. Now, in that situation, because it's going through a will, your younger sister could abscond with the money and go blow it in Vegas or something, and there's nothing you can do about it because you left the animal to her through the will, and then you gave her a certain sum of money, which you hope she would use for caring for your animal. But that's usually the most economic and most efficient way to care for your animals after you pass away. Again, through a will, leave the animal to a person that you know will love and take care of that animal, and then leave a certain sum of money to that person so they can use it to maintain or for the health and welfare of the animal. Also in California, there is what's called a pet trust. So you could actually create a trust for the benefit of the pet, designate who would be the trustee of that trust after you pass away, leave a certain amount of money in that trust for the benefit of the animal. The trust would go on and be open until through the life of the animal, and then once the animal passed away, that trust would no longer exist. So in California, there is a pet trust you can create. It's more costly, a little more complicated. So most of the time you're going to do it through a will, but there are some people who would prefer to create a pet trust and fund that trust, and then that way there is somewhat of a fiduciary obligation on behalf of the trustee to use that money for the benefit of the pet. Okay, so that's it. I hope that was helpful or somewhat entertaining. Again, if estate planning is something you want to explore or talk more about, please feel free to give me a call. Go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it, and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.